Bill 2024. This bill seeks to change the acronym TS with TG and to change the express Telangana state as the Telangana in all the state laws, namely enactments, ordinance, regulation, orders, bylaws, rules, schemes and notification. It has been pointed out that two letters format is used for other states such as TN for Tamil Nadu, TL for Kerala, AP for Andhra Pradesh, MP for Madhya Pradesh, BR for Bihar and MH for Maharashtra. After the Congress came to power, the cabinet decided to adopt TG as the official abbreviations for state of Telangana instead of TS, and all the departments were directed to replace all the references to TS with TG. In nomenclature for all state sector undertaking and autonomous institution, I may point out that whether it is TS or TG, it does not matter as long as you spell the name Telangana is full. However, it has become customary for the government and ruling parties to change the names of government, schemes, programs and organization with the change of government. This has happened whenever Congress and TD came to power by turns in United AP and also after the TRS, now BRS, came to power in Telangana after the formation of state in June 2014. It is now the turn the Congress government to change the acronyms of Telangana from TS to TG and rename the popular scheme for the previous BRS government in the state. Raitu Bandhu renamed as the Raitu Bharosa, housing scheme as Indramma Indulu, Dalit Bandhu as Ambedkar Abhayastam, Asra pension as Cheuta pensions, and the list goes on and on. I may say that this is not a good practice, sir. And people also do not like such changes for the sake of change after every change of government. सर जब कोई भी गवर्नमेंट चेंज होंगे, हर गवर्नमेंट अपने हिसाब से चेंज करते रहेंगे, तो पब्लिक को क्या खाली इसी में अपन इन्वॉल्व करना है क्या सर? सर हमको कुछ काम करना है, हमारे को देखना है कि हमारा स्टेट आगे कैसा बढ़े. आज ये रहेंगे या कल वो रहेंगे या कल वो नहीं रहेंगे, ये लोग रहेंगे. हम चाहते हैं कि पब्लिक के लिए कुछ काम करें सर. यही आपसे दरख्वास्त है. ये बिल को आप कंसिडर करने से पहले थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.